Hey everybody, I got one pot here. This is my last empty pot that I have without me either uprooting something. I have a grow bag over there and I really don't want to use it. This does not have holes in it and I need holes. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out here with me in my garden, Zone 7B. Okay, I do not have a drill. I don't own a drill, and for me to be growing in containers, I don't know about that. I need a drill, y'all. I need to get me a drill so I can just drill little holes in here and be done with it. I can't find my blowtorch. Well, I can't find the butane to the blowtorch. So I gotta put some holes in here because, well, I want to plant my leeks in it. And since I want to plant my leeks in this pot, it needs holes now, okay? So I have used it previously without holes, but that's a whole nother story. This happens to be a very thick pot, so I'm gonna use what I got and hope I don't bust the whole thing open, okay? So y'all gonna do this with me. I have everything out here. I got my hammer, I got my screwdriver, I got some tape, I even have my Amelia tools. Guys, these are some fantastic tools. This is not a paid promotion, but look at these things. They heavy duty, okay? And I don't know what I'm going to need. So I got more Amelia tools in this bag. Like I said, this is not a paid promotion, but these are some really good tools. So I just brought everything out here. We're going to do this together, okay? So let me bring y'all in closer so we can get started. Okay, so this is actually the first time I've ever put holes in a pot without proper tools, without something. I normally would use my blowtorch and heat up maybe my screwdriver or something and just keep prying at it until it gets in there. But typically I try to buy pots with holes in it, okay? So I haven't needed all this stuff. But I don't know where this pot came from. Why am I drying it off? I don't know. I know some of y'all laughing at me, but that's okay. Leave me some comments and tell me what I probably should have done, all right? I'm going to put some tape where I want the holes at. Don't ask me why. We just doing the thing, okay? Yes, we are just doing the thing. So, I don't know. There's a little circle here. I'm going to see if I can't punch that. I really only need a couple of holes in this pot. If they are good size holes, and let it drain that way. Don't ask me why I'm putting the tape where I want the holes. I'm thinking. I'll tell y'all what I'm thinking. I'm thinking that this will help it not split. And y'all like, but that's okay. I don't mind. I want 3 holes in here. We're going to see if we can't get you know what? They don't even have to be perfect holes. I just need the water to fall out of it. That's all. That's all we want, guys. First, we make an indent where we want them. Y'all know I ain't strong enough to screw this all the way through. I don't think. We're gonna give it a whack. Okay, let me put this thing on something so it won't slide. Okay, I'll put it on the tile. Maybe that'll help it not slide. Dog next door bark and he like, what in the heck is she doing now? Y'all know I ain't making no indent in this pot, right? I'm gonna get some holes in this pot. I need something sharp. That's what I need. I need something sharp. So let me get something sharper than this screwdriver and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, while I was gone, I decided to at least get one done so then I could come back and show y'all what I did because I was determined, okay? And it didn't take long, but y'all see the screwdriver's all the way through there, right? See that screwdriver in there? That's a hole, that's a hole. I got a hole and you ain't got one. Y'all say she's so crazy. But I got a hole, y'all, and I ain't bust my pot. Shucks. Yes. Okay, now I'm going to show y'all what I did, okay? In case y'all have to do it. Now, I am not by any means telling anybody to not use the proper tools to put holes in the bottom of your bucket. But a determined woman child, we gonna get them holes in the bucket, okay? And guess what? My hole is neat. Look at that. You can see through it. See? You can see through it. And guess what? A mirror, y'all came through for me. I used my mirror tools, y'all. The tools I'm telling you, these are some heavy duty tools. This is not a promotional. They sent me this as a gift. That's it. They just sent it to me, okay? For no reason. No video, no nothing. I'm just making that clear, okay? Because I'm tooting their horn right now because, listen, they just say today. So, let's move right along so I can show y'all what I did. I won't have to keep y'all here all day. Okay, so the first thing I did, I'm going to do the exact same thing I did over there. First, y'all saw me. I made an indent in the tape. I put the tape there. And I made an indent in the tape. Then I commenced to hammer. The dog commenced to barking. Not my dog. 1 yard over. I don't have a dog. I don't have a pet. But every time I hammered, he barked. Okay? Okay, so I made the indent. Then I took this little thing, which I think is a weed whacker, weed thingamajigger. I don't know, but it had a pointy end. So this is hilarious, y'all. So I decided to take this and use it. So I took it and I put the little point. So y'all can see that? I put the little point in there and I just worked back and forth. Okay, let me put this on the table. We don't want no accidents here, okay? And y'all wear some gloves. Don't do like I do, just in case, protect your hands, okay? Okay? So I just went back and forth and back and forth. And I kept doing that. Then I hammered some more. We're going to get this hole in here, y'all. Okay, then after I hammered, I used this. This is the thing, I think. This is the thing that you're supposed to pull up. You can get little, if you're transplanting, you can get little seedlings up and stuff with this. Or weeds or whatever you need to pull up. I mean, a tool is a tool. Y'all know me. If I got a tool and I think it's going to work for something other than its intended use, it's getting used. Okay? So, then I took just one of these and I put it where I had made the indent of the hole, and I just started going back and forth and back and forth. Just like this. This tool is what really did the trick. Okay? Back and forth. Then, periodically, I took my hammer and my screwdriver, pushed it down as far as I could get it, and hammered again. Then, back to the tool. Then at a certain point, I looked down in there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let's see. Right here, there's a little bitty white dot. That's the plastic coming through the other end. At that point, I knew I was golden. I'm like, oh, sucky now. I'm getting ready to give me a hole in my bucket. Yes. So then, turn it back upside down, and wherever that little white dot is, take your screwdriver and poke. Poke right on that dot. Just push it. Push it on that dot if you can. Best you can. Now you're working it from both sides. I know you got to work both sides of the fence sometime. And take it back on this side. And then do the same thing. And now, my hole is pretty much there, hammering in, and it should go through soon. Let's see if I can push it on through. There you go. Bam! See, y'all gotta, there's some weight, y'all. I'm being so silly today, I can't help it. Yes, and then just kind of move it around so you can get that hole in there good, y'all. Y'all saw the process from beginning to end. Yeah, see that hole is in there. See my screwdriver goes all the way through. See? Where is it? There it is. Yes. Okay. Now push it through this side just to make sure, because the water got to come out that way. So, see, look. We got a hole. We got a hole. Okay, so now I'm going to just take this tape off of here. Then I'm going to do the last one, and then we'll be right back. I'm not going to put y'all through that. I'll just be right back. But before I go, Look, guys, I got 2 holes and they look good. They look almost like they drill holes, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. My holes looking good. I ain't cracked my pot. Okay, y'all, so I am finished putting holes in my pot. Ooh, I'm hot and sweaty now, but that's okay. I'm not gonna lie. It did take a little muscle, okay? Thank God I got some. A little. But anyway, it went so well with the 3 holes, I decided to go ahead and put 4. Boom. And they're neat. I didn't crack my pot. Check that out, y'all. Okay, now, we know we see the holes. We know we can see through them, but you know, we got to do the final test, okay? Because we can't be filling this up with dirt. We can't be putting our leaks in it, which that's going to be a whole nother video, okay? Our leaks in it. We can't be doing that just to find out this pot is not going to drain, okay? So, hold on for 1 second, okay? Now, y'all need to share this video out, okay? Because I'm telling you, anybody that need to put some holes in there, you don't need all that stuff. If you ain't got it, you ain't got it. And I ain't got no drill, couldn't find my butane for my, and it ain't even a real blowtorch. I got my kitchen torch for my food that I would have used, but I can't find the butane. Honey, use what you got, use what you can, do what you can, okay? Don't be letting nothing stop you. Remember, y'all know the golden rule about anywhere you can set a pot. Anyway, let me move this bag out the way. Although it's all full of wet dirt, we're gonna pour some water in here and see what happens. I'm gonna put on shower. This is kind of heavy to put up here. Okay, let's go, guys. Can y'all see that? Oh my gosh. This is hilarious. I'm so sorry, y'all. This is just so hilarious. I so enjoyed doing this video. I really enjoyed doing this video. If you are new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me here today in my garden, Zone 7B. I think I said this in the beginning, but now I'm tired and I don't know what I said and what I didn't. So please share this video out. Somebody might need to know how to put holes in their bucket. And all they have is some tools. A weedy thing, another tool for the garden. Y'all tell me what these are in the comments. I just use them, okay? Oh my God, this is hilarious. Oh, don't forget to vote for me in the 2023 Favorite Chef Competition. Oh my goodness. I will leave that link in a pinned comment as well as in the description. I appreciate each and every one of you all for voting. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. And my channel members, oh my goodness, thank you all so much for your loyal, faithful support. I love each and every one of you all. And remember, anywhere you can sit a pot, you can grow a plant. And I'll see you on the trail.